facing the Amazon Prime price hike. Don't pay a cent more than you have to! This video reveals a clever gift subscription security breach that lets you completely avoid the increased costs. First, you'll need to purchase an Amazon Prime gift membership for yourself. This locks in the current lower rate before the price change affects new subscriptions, essentially prepaying at the old price. If that first step doesn't seem to apply the savings, the issue often lies in timing your redemption, which brings us to our second method of strategic activation. You must redeem the gift subscription just as your current membership is about to expire, ensuring a seamless transition without overlap or lost funds. Next up, it's crucial to manage your auto-renewal settings. By proactively turning off automatic renewal, you regain control, preventing Amazon from charging you the new higher rate once your gift subscription runs out, giving you time to plan your next move. Finally, verify your Prime status. Double-check your membership page to confirm the gift subscription is active and that your next billing date reflects the end of your prepaid period. This ensures the security breach worked, keeping more money in your pocket.